We're going to start off by taking both of our feet and putting them in the yoga hammock. Then just pull the knees into the chest, go to the left, and then go to the right. And bring that left leg down, stretch out. Just let that right leg come back. Come back up again. Feel a deep stretch on that left side. And one more time. Good. Both feet in the hammock again. And then just pull your knees into your chest. Go to the right. Then go to the left. Gotta mix it up, huh? Bring that right leg back down to the mat. Lean back. Feel a deep stretch in that left side. One more time, just for good measure. Look at the chicken. And then start off with both feet in the hammock again. We're gonna do pike position. Just use your core, pull yourself up. Don't worry, the hammock will support your feet. And do it again. Yeah, that's the stuff. Just hold. Nice work. And then come down to your forearms. We're going to do a modified pike. Use your core, just pull your body up over your shoulders. One more time. Yeah, there you go. Come back down onto the mat. Get up, fix your shirt. Flick your hair. Walk around to the back of the hammock. Have a seat. Put the fabric up on your tailbone and then flip backwards. Just come to bound angle pose, inverted. And then you're standing up again. Just have the hammock on your low back. Come back. Take that left leg, put it in the middle handle. Grab a hold of the middle handle. Stretch out that leg that is captured straight. Have the other one bent. And just strike a pose. Cirque de Olay, huh? Get that leg out there somehow. Nice. Just spin around a little bit. Switch sides. Right leg now. Oh, you gotta flip back first. And then put that right foot in the middle handle. Or on your arm, you know, whatever. The struggle is real. This time we're gonna keep that leg bent. I don't know why. Can't be consistent now, can we? You're gonna go off to the left side though. Keep that leg bent, put it up against the knee, strike a pose. A different pose. That's right. Come back up. Free the leg. And then we're going to use the hammock as butt floss. We're going to fix the shirt one more time. Grab a hold of the top of the hammock and then stretch out. We're going to balance on the hammock. Stretch out the legs, pull yourself up so that your whole body is just laying on the hammock. It's like Shavasana, but in the air, where you're actually using your muscles to pull yourself up. Keep supporting yourself with the one hand and stretch out the other arm. Strike a pose. Come back down, take the floss out of your behind. And after that traumatic event, we're just gonna swing. Grab a hold of the handles and just pull yourself forward, back and forth. It's like a swing, but even more fun. And in the trees. And then just sit in the hammock, stretched out with your legs. You wanna have it right at your low back. Capture the fabric with your big toes. Grab a hold of the second handle. And then bring your legs up. Flip over you using your arms. to hold yourself up, bringing your shoulder blades together, and then knees come to the mat. Take yourself to child's pose. Get a good, relaxing stretch. Come back up onto your hands and knees. Get ready for some more hammock fun. And then just put the right foot in the hammock. Put it on the arch of the foot so that your toes and your heels are sticking out on each side of the hammock. Your knees come in front of you. And then bring your arms in front of you. And flip forward. Your feet are caught. Good luck getting out. Grab the lowest hanging handles and then just stretch them out in front of you. Lift yourself up. You're like a flying super frog. Make your way back up into the hammock. Well done. Come back. Just take a seat in the hammock. Come back, hands to the ground. Wrap your legs around the hammock, stretch them out. So bring the feet on the inside of the fabric and then stretch them out. And just kind of grip it with your toes. Go into a supported handstand. Thank you so much. I hope you love this video. Check me out on Instagram, my website, and like, subscribe, and share. Pull yourself up, take a bow. You did great.